Jamaica, Doctor, the most honorable, Andrew Holness.
Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who had the champion?
Andrew.
Who was the big man?
Andrew.
Who run the island?
Andrew.
Who got the best plan?
Andrew.
Labour right, we ready now. Labour right, we ready.
You're running Labour right.
Ring the bell, then heavy
You're
now.
running Labour
Ring the bell,
right.
then heavy now. Labour right, we ready now.
Ready.
The river coming down, no bank to bank, it's coming down.
Ready.
The river coming down, no bank to bank, it's coming down. Labour right coming down, to bank, him coming down. Brother coming down, to bank, him coming down. Who was the champion? Who was the big man? Who run the island? Who got the best plan? Who had the champion? Who was the big man? Who run the island? Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who had the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man?
Labour rights! Labour rights! Labour rights!
Labour rights! Oh no! Labour Party marching on! Marching on to victory! Labour Party marching! Labour Party marching on to victory! Oh my God, something here, you know. Labour Party marching on to victory. Labour Party marching on to victory. Who the member of the party? Jump and shout, tell it. We shall have the victory. One more time, sir. Labour Party marching on to victory. Labour Party marching. Labour marching on to victory. Everybody go, sir. Everybody go, sir. We don't know that one. Let me see. Sean, you not ready? Let me see if we don't remember that one here. Who remember this? Vote for Labour. Vote for Labour. Vote for. Vote for Labour. Vote for. Vote for Labour. Vote for. Vote for Labour. We are the government going back to Parliament alone. We give our vote. Our party will love the vote. And then tell them again, vote for. Vote for Labour. Vote for. Vote for Labour. Vote for Labour. Parliament. Labour. We Labour Party. When we listen to the bus, choose Jamaica, 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 Everybody put your hands up. You see, I choose this song for my Prime Minister because sometimes I know him have sleepless night thinking about this country. So we have to strengthen him. We have to ask God to give him the strength. So me choose the song for my Prime Minister. like a ship sailing out on a trip, so wrapped and long, so far from shore, so far from home. I said I'm in search of a reason to go home, and I find shelter in the eye of the storm. Everybody, we have an on for the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the most honorable Dr. Holness. No matter what may rock the ship, Mr. Warmington, the light of my Savior will lead me through the night. Prime Minister, though your ship may be rocking, and you say, maybe turn. You shall rest in the eye of the storm. Cheering the Prime Minister. Though the wind, we no matter that, and water rages, and the billows begin to roll. We are asking Jesus, the blessed rock of ages, peace to your soul. We are telling Jesus tonight, tell him, Jesus, hold him in his arms, so safe as the Prime Minister, you find shelter in the eye. Everybody, fight for your leader, sing, fight for him and sing and say, no matter what, the ship. I know you, the light of my Savior will lead me through the night. Everybody, though my ship may be rocking, and my sail may be towed, I shall, you shall, Prime Minister, you shall rest. Let me hear you, you shall rest, you shall rest, you shall rest, in the eyes, in the eye. Everybody, we have an eye. Me no hear you, no. Hold on, I me no hear you. Hold on, I me no hear you. Go so. Wanna remember that one, yeah? Labour right, we sit up on the heavenly throne. Hallelujah. Me no hear you no. Me no hear you tell the other one. Say Labour right business on. Grosso. High. Labour right sit up on the heavenly throne. Everybody. Hallelujah. Big up Jesus. See people, pieces and pieces alone. Hallelujah. Who don't remember that one? Yeah? You think I'm in the know? 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 They call demons when to Jesus man. Me not Europe. Yes. Somebody big up Jesus. 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 We have your hand and big up Jesus. We have your hand and big up Jesus. We have your hand and big up Jesus. Somebody big up Jesus. Baby, hear no voice at all. Musician, we are gonna try now one year. We are gonna try it. You never go out of your hand, grab your heart. Say thank you. Who about your son? Who about your son? Who about your son? Go so. We never be in another bad con. We say. Who you on? 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 High. No gathering, no the pan, no die your hand. Who knows say? Say David kill, Uriah beat him. God bless you tonight. One on the musician. The 10th of August. The 10th of August at Port Maran Bay Square. Yeah. Maran Bay Square. And my minister, my Bunununus, Olivia Babsy Grange, just tell me, say, she a go have a gala tour all over Jamaica. Can you see the party? I will love Jesus. There's a land beyond the river that we call the shining river. And we only reach that shore by faith today. You see the young people, them don't know them song, I know Mummy Grange. One by one, we name the portal where we dwell. We dirty matter. We don't know the party now. Won't you ring those golden bells? For you had, who know the bell? Let me see. Don't you hear the bells are ringing? Don't you hear I don't hear you. Don't you hear the bells are ringing? Don't you hear the Labour singing? We sing it loud. Hallelujah. In the far and sweet forever, when we are the shining. Who's up with that? Won't you ring those? Who remember that one? I want them to remember that one. Joy bells ringing in my soul. Children singing. God bless you.
Kukudu! Make welcome out of Northeastern St. Catherine, Member of Parliament, Terencia Morrison!
Jubilee.
Jubilee.
We are going Jubilee. We are going we are going to jump and shout, Labour Party.
Jubilee.
Labour Party.
Third term.
Labour Party.
Third term.
Labour Party.
Third term.
Labour Party.
Third term.
God bless you.
Third term. Kukudu, make some noise. Labour rights. And make welcome out of Northeastern St. Catherine, Member of Parliament, Corencia Robinson. Leviticus man.
Labor rights. Labor rights.
Wall it and run with it, Leviticus. Leviticus, run with it.
Labor rights. If them did think the conference did big, them fi see all Harbour tonight.
Oh, damn. Our sorrow will be over, heavenly joy come over. We're gonna ring out those heaven bells when we get there.
I wonder what will happen here tonight. I wonder what will be announced tonight. But labor rights, for those who are watching us online, we can tell you that Labour Party river come down bank to bank to bank to bank to bank to bank. And our wonderful party
Equal rights and justice is our everlasting song.